Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll start with exercise 6F from chapter Simultaneous Linear Equations. So starting with question number 1. 5 years ago, A's age was 4 times the age of B. 5 years hence, A's age will be twice the age of B. Find their present ages. There are two persons, one is A, other is B. Okay, so A है, B है. Now we have to find their present ages. So let's say their present ages are X years and Y years respectively. Okay, so let's say present age of A is X years and B is Y years. Alright. Now you are told 5 years ago A's age was 4 times the age of B and 5 years hence A's age will be twice the age of B. These two conditions will help us in forming the equations. Okay, but before that 5 years ago A का age और B का age क्या होगा? 5 years ago A's age was not X, it was X minus 5. 5 years कम age था. And same thing with B. B's age was not Y, it will be Y minus 5. So 5 years ago, what was the age of A? It was X minus 5 years. And same thing over here, Y minus 5 years. Right? And same thing यहाँ पे. 5 years hence. Hence means 5 years later. Alright, so 5 years later from the present ages, we are talking with respect to the present ages. So 5 years ago with respect to present age and 5 years hence with respect to present age. So 5 years के बाद age क्या होगा? Present age X है, so 5 years के बाद it will be X plus 5, right? If currently you are 10 years old, after 5 years you will become 50, alright? So 5 years later or 5 years hence, it will be X plus 5. Okay, and same thing over here, Y plus 5. So once you get this, it's very easy to frame the equations. Now coming to the first condition to frame the first equation. 5 years ago, so 5 years ago, A's age was 4 times the age of B. A का जो age है, that is equal to, it was means it was equal to 4 times the age of B. Right? A का age was 4 times the age of B. What was A का age 5 years ago? 5 years ago A's age was X minus 5. Right? And B का age was Y minus 5. Let's solve this. We'll keep X and Y in LHS and the numbers in RHS. So let's solve this first. 4Y minus 20, right? Shifting 4Y over here, it will become minus 4Y. And shifting 5 over here, 5 minus 20. So that will give X minus 4Y is equal to minus 15. This gives us first linear equation. Now forming the second linear equation. So 5 years hence, that is 5 years later. Now you are told A's age will be twice the age of B. A का age will be, that is equal to twice the age of B. Okay. So A's age equals to twice the age of B. Will be means twice. It is equal to twice the age of B. Alright. Now A का age 5 years later क्या है? It is X plus 5. So it will be X plus 5 equals to 2 into B's age is Y plus 5. Now let's solve this and form one more linear equation. So X plus 5 is equal to 2Y plus 2 5s are 10. Shifting this over here. So X minus 2Y and shifting this over here. 10 minus 5. So X minus 2Y is equal to 5. This gives second linear equation. We just have to solve these two equations and we'll get the values of X and Y. Once you get the values of X and Y, you have got the present ages. That is the answer that we have to find. So the present ages will be x years and y years. Alright, so now let us write down proper statements and then start solving. The first statement will be about the ages that we have assumed, the present ages. So the present age of A we have taken as x years and B as y years. Okay, so that will be the first statement. It would be better if you make a table like this. Okay, present ages 5 years ago and 5 years hence. What will be the ages of A and B? So present ages we have taken as x years and y years. 5 years ago, it will be 5 years less. 5 years पहले का बात हो रहा है. So it will be x minus 5, y minus 5. And 5 years hence, that is 5 years later, 5 years बाद में. So it will be x plus 5 and y plus 5. Okay. So once you frame this, once you make a table, it becomes very easy to frame the equations. So now coming to the first condition. In first condition you are told that 5 years ago A's age was 4 times the age of B. A का age क्या था? It was this. Okay, 5 years ago it was this. It will be equal to 4 times the age of B. 4 times the age of B. Age of B 5 years ago was this. Just solve and you will get one linear equation. Same thing for the other condition. You are told 5 years hence, that is 5 years later. So 5 years के बाद A का age is this and B का age is this. What is the condition? A's age is twice the age of B. Okay. So x plus 5 is equal to 2y plus 10. You will just solve and you will get one more linear equation. Now we will solve these two linear equations and find out the values of x and y. Now we will subtract the two equations because we already have x over here. We just need to subtract and x will get cancelled. So there is no need to make coefficients equal over here. X का तो coefficient same ही है. Y का you can make same and solve further. That way also you can do, but that would be a lengthy method. Instead directly subtract कर दो. Okay. So subtract 1 from 2 or 2 from 1. I'll be subtracting 1 from 2. So subtracting 1 from 2. So we are subtracting from 2. So 2 you will write first. ठीक है? And 1 afterwards. Now you are subtracting this equation. So the signs of the second equation will change. Minus becomes plus. Minus becomes plus. And plus becomes minus. Okay. So plus x minus x gets cancelled. Minus 2y plus 4y, that is plus 4 minus 2 gives 2y, and plus 15 plus 5, so that will give 20. So y is 20 upon 2, that gives 10. So y is 10. Now we need to find the value of x. So substitute the value of y. Substituting y equal to 10, you can substitute in 1 or 2. I'll be substituting it in 2. So x minus 2 into y is 10 is equal to 5. So x minus 20 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 plus 20, that gives 25. So we found the present ages of A and B. Present ages, A is x years, that is equal to 25 years, and B is equal to y years, that is 10 years. So we found the present ages. Don't forget to write down the final statement, box the answers of x, values of x and y that you are getting. Okay, and don't forget to put the unit, years here. Okay, so please be very careful, students. Let's read the next question, question number 2. A is 20 years older than B. 5 years ago, A was 3 times as old as B. Find their present ages. We have A and B and we have to find their present ages. So let's say the present age of A is x years and B is y years. So A है, B है. Present ages इसका x years and इसका y years. Okay. Now anything else? Over here we are told 5 years ago. So 5 years ago, what will be A's age and B's age? 5 years ago. means 5 years पहले. Okay, so it will be x minus 5, 5 years less होगा, and y also it will be y minus 5, 5 years less, so it will be x minus 5 and y minus 5. So it is better if you make a table like this. Okay, now this will be the table. Now framing the equations. A is 20 years older than B. Is means currently we are talking about the present ages. Alright, so presently A is 20 years older than B. So A is elder one है, and B is younger. So A का age is means is equal to 20 years older than B, means 20 years more than B. So it will be B plus 20. Right? Had they given younger, then you would do minus 20. Okay, if A is 20 years younger than B, then you will take A is equal to B minus 20. But they have told A is older than B by 20 years. So A का age is equal to B का age plus 20. They are talking presently. ठीक है, present age का बात हो रहा है. So presently A का age is x years. So it will be x is equal to B का age is y years. So we'll shift y over here, we'll keep x and y in LHS. So x minus y is equal to 20. This will give us first linear equation. We need one more linear equation. So we'll consider the other statement. 5 years ago, A was 3 times as old as B. So 5 years ago, we are told that A was means is equal to 3 times as old as B. 3 times means 3 into the age of B. Okay, so 5 years ago A was means A is equal to 3 times as old as B. So 3 into the age of B. What was the age of A 5 years ago? It was x minus 5. So x minus 5 is equal to 3 times B का age 5 years ago, y minus 5. ठीक है, so x minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 15. We'll shift the y term over here and this constant, that is number over here. So x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. Now we'll solve these two equations. Okay, but we always write down proper statements in the beginning. So you have to write down proper statements, that is what you are assuming the present age of A and B to be. Okay, so let us write down proper statements and then we'll solve. So we have taken the present ages of A as x years and B as y years. Okay, now it would be good if you make a table like this. Present ages of A and B, and 5 years ago what will be the ages. 5 years ago means 5 years less हो जाएगा, so it will be x minus 5 and y minus 5. Now you just have to apply these ages over here in the conditions. So first condition is talking about the present ages. So presently A is 20 years older than B. 20 years older means 20 years ज़्यादा है. If B is 5 years, then A is 20 plus 5, that is 25. ओके, सो जो भी B का एज है उसमें हम लोग 20 ऐड करेंगे. सो A का एज इज इक्वल टू B का एज प्लस 20. A का एज इज x, B का एज इज y, so x is equal to y plus 20. You will get one linear equation. We'll get one more linear equation from the second condition. Second condition says that A's age 5 years ago was 3 times the age of B. So A का age is equal to 3 into age of B. You'll again get one more linear equation. Now we will solve these two linear equations. Over here we have x, the coefficient is same 1 1. So we just have to subtract the two equations over here because the signs of the coefficients are same. दोनों plus x है. Okay, so signs are same, so you subtract. If the signs are different, you add. Now we'll just subtract 1 from 2. So subtracting 1 from 2, you can subtract 2 from 1 and the same. ठीक है, आंसर तो सेम ही आएगा. So we are subtracting 1 from 2, so write 2 first and 1 we'll write now. So x minus y is equal to 20. We are subtracting this equation, so the signs will change. Plus 20 becomes minus 20, minus becomes plus, and this plus becomes minus. Plus x minus x will get cancelled. Minus 3y plus y, that is plus 1 minus 3, that will give minus 2. ठीक है. Minus 10 minus 20, both are negative, means you will add and put minus sign. So 10 plus 20 gives 30 and minus sign. So y is equal to minus 30 upon minus 2. So y is equal to plus 15, right? Minus minus यहाँ पे plus हो जाएगा. Please don't cancel out. Mathematically it is wrong. So y is 15. Now we need to find the value of x. So we'll substitute the value of y in 1 or 2. So let's substitute and find the value of x. So substituting y equal to 15 in 1, you can substitute it in 2. So x minus y is equal to 20, that is what we have. So x minus 15 is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20 plus 15, that gives 35. So box the values of x and y. Now write down the final statement. Present ages of A is, present age of A is x years, that is 35 years, and present age of B is y is equal to 15, so 15 years. Okay, so we found the present ages of A and B. Alright, write down full statement, don't do it like this. Okay, so don't forget to box the answers, don't forget the final statement and also the unit, years. Okay, moving on to next question. Question number 3. 4 years ago, a mother was 4 times as old as her daughter. 6 years later, the mother will be 2.5 times as old as her daughter at that time. Find the present ages of mother and her daughter. Now, there is a mother and her daughter and we have to find their present ages. So, again we'll make a table. There is mother, there is daughter. First, let's see how to solve. Okay. Now, present ages of mother, let it be x years and daughters be y years. ये present हम लोग consider कर रहे हैं. Okay, because they have asked present ages, so let it be x and y. Now, there are 2 conditions and for both the conditions there are different years. First one is 4 years ago. So 4 years ago, what will be the age of mother and daughter? It will be 4 years less from present ages. If currently I am 30 years old, then my age 4 years ago will be 30 minus 4. So same thing with mother and daughter. It will be x minus 4 and daughter ka y minus 4. So 4 years ago, mother's age is x minus 4 and daughter's is y minus 4 years. Okay. Now 6 years later means 6 years बाद में, afterwards. Okay. So 6 years later from the present ages. All the ages that we are considering is with respect to the present ages. ठीक है. So 6 years later from the present age. So 6 years के बाद age क्या हो जाएगा? It will be x plus 6 and y plus 6. Okay. So 6 years later it will be x plus 6 and y plus 6. ठीक है. So now we know what will be the ages 4 years ago and 6 years later. Now we can easily put the ages in the conditions. So first condition is 4 years ago a mother was 4 times as old as her daughter. Mother का age was means is equal to 4 times as old as her daughter. 4 times means 4 into the age of daughter. So mother's age was means is equal to 4 times, that is 4 into the age of the daughter. Now what was the age of mother 4 years ago? It was this. So x minus 4 is equal to age of daughter 4 years ago. Okay, now solve this. 4 4s are 16. Now students, always keep x and y wala terms in LHS and numbers in RHS. Okay, so we'll shift 4y over here, it will become minus 4y, and 4 over here, so it will become plus 4 minus 16. So x minus 4y is equal to minus 12. So mark this as 1. We need one more linear equation. So the other condition is 6 years later, the mother will be 2.5 times as old as her daughter at that time. 6 years later. So 6 years के बाद वाला age consider करेंगे. Okay. The mother will be, mother का age will be means is equal to. Okay. Was, is, will be. वहाँ पे हम लोग is equal to लगाते हैं. So mother's age is equal to 2.5 times as old as her daughter at that time. 2.5 times means 2.5 you can take, or in fraction form you can take as 2.5 like this. Okay, so you have to solve this mixed fraction. That will be 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5 upon 2. Okay, so if you take 5 upon 2, again 2.5 ही होता है. ठीक है, फ्रैक्शन को सॉल्व करके डेसिमल फॉर्म में ये आ जाता है. बट आई विल सजेस्ट डोंट कीप इट इन डेसिमल फॉर्म, इंस्टेड राइट इट इन फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म. ओके, इट इज़ ईजियर. So 2.5, you just have to solve this mixed fraction. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 upon 2. So mother's age will be 2.5 times as old as her daughter. So 2.5 times बोला है, so into, ठीक है, times means into the age of her daughter at that time. Now what will be the age of mother 6 years later? It will be x plus 6 is equal to 2.5 को सॉल्व करेंगे तो 5/2 मिलेगा. ठीक है, and age of daughter 6 years later at that time it will be y plus 6. You just have to solve this, you will get an equation. So let's see what equation we are getting. Now shifting 2 over here, 2 into x plus 6 is equal to 5 into y plus 6. So 2x plus 12 is equal to 5y plus 30. X and y terms in LHS, so we'll shift this over here and this over here. So 2x minus 5y, 30 minus 12 gives 18. We got two linear equations. We just have to solve these two equations and find the values of x and y. X and y मिल गया तो you have got the present ages of mother and daughter. Okay, so we'll write down proper statements in a proper manner and then solve. So the present age of mother is x years and the present age of daughter is y years. Now make a table like this of the ages at different years. Presently it is x and y. 4 years ago it will be x minus 4 and y minus 4, and 6 years later it will be x plus 6 and y plus 6. So present में से हम लोग ने 4 subtract कर दिया for 4 years ago and we add 6 for 6 years later. Okay, now applying these ages over here in the condition. So 4 years ago mother's age was 4 times the age of daughter. Okay, mother's age is x minus 4, daughter's age is y minus 4. Just solve and you will get one linear equation. Same thing for the other condition. For the second condition you are given that mother's age after 6 years will be, so after 6 years mother's age is x plus 6. It will be 2.5 times the age of the daughter. So 2.5 times age of the daughter will be y plus 6. Okay, now 2.5 mixed fraction solve करेंगे. So 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 upon 2 हो जाएगा. Okay, now I will suggest that you keep it in fraction form, don't write it in decimal form. You can write 2.5, okay, that is not wrong, but then instead of introducing decimal, fraction रखो. Okay, you will get integers, proper integers मिलेगा. So shifting 2 over here you will get one proper linear equation. Now we just have to solve these two linear equations. So over here you can make coefficient of y same. Okay, for that you have to take LCM of 4 and 5. So you have to multiply both the equations separately. This you have to multiply by 4, this by 5. Instead x का coefficient same करते हैं. यहाँ पे 2x है, यहाँ पे ओनली x, दैट इज 1x है. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2. सो लेट अस मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाई 2. सो मल्टीप्लाइंग 1 by 2. So 2 into x minus 4y is equal to minus 12. So 2x minus 2 4s are 8y is equal to minus 12 2s are 24. Now the coefficients are same, but the signs are also same, plus 2 plus 2. So whenever the signs are same, you subtract the equations. So subtract 2 from 3 or 3 from 2. Okay, so let us subtract 3 from 2 now. So subtracting 3 from 2, we are subtracting from 2, so we'll write 2 first, and now we'll write 3. So third equation is 2x minus 8y is minus 24. We are subtracting this equation, so the signs of the second equation will change. Minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. 2x minus 2x cancel हो जाएगा. Now minus 5 plus 8. So 8 minus 5, that gives 3y. Okay, and 18 plus 24. So that will give us 42, right? So 42 divided by 3, so that gives us 14, right? Let's substitute the value of y in 1, 2 or 3 to find the value of x. So substituting y equal to 14 in 2, I'm substituting it in 2. So 2x minus 5y is 14 is equal to 18. So 2x is equal to minus ये हो जाएगा 70 is equal to 18. So 2x is equal to 18 plus 70. So 2x is equal to 88. So x is equal to 88 upon 2, that gives 44. So we found the present ages of mother and daughter. So present age of mother is 44 years and present age of daughter is 14 years. Alright, so don't forget to write down the final statement, the units, that is years, and box the values of x and y that you are getting. Coming to next question, question number 4. The age of a man is twice the sum of the ages of his 2 children. After 20 years, his age will be equal to the sum of the ages of his children. At that time, find the age of the man. Over here, there is a man and there are his 2 children. So, how will you distribute the 2 variables? We normally take x and y, right? किसको x लेंगे, किसको y लेंगे? You cannot take more variables. Okay, we are going to consider only 2 variables. So x हम लोग age of the man consider करते हैं because they have asked the age of the man. So let man's age be x years. ठीक है? Present age of man is x years. What will be y? Y को क्या लेंगे? Read the question carefully. The age of a man is twice the sum of the ages of his 2 children. His age is related to the sum of the ages of the 2 children. Okay. Second condition, after 20 years his age will be equal to the sum of the ages of his children. यहाँ पे भी the man's age is related to the sum of the ages of his children. So what are you going to take as y? Y will be sum of the ages of his 2 children. So sum of the ages of the 2 children, because they have not asked the individual ages of the children. ठीक है? So यहाँ पे we are not concerned with what is the individual age of each child. ठीक है? The sum of the ages is y years. Okay. These are the present ages. Present age of man is x years, and presently sum of the ages of the children is y years. ठीक है. Now this is for the present condition. After 20 years, after 20 years, students, first we are seeing what will be the ages presently and after 20 years, then we'll frame the equations. ठीक है. First let us form a proper table of the ages. After 20 years man का age क्या हो जाएगा? 20 years बढ़ जाएगा. Okay, so presently it is x, it will become x plus 20. What about this? There are two children, so you will add 20 twice. ठीक है, because जो भी एज है प्रेजेंटली उसमें दोनों का 20 ईयर्स बढ़ेगा. सिर्फ एक चाइल्ड का एज तो इंक्रीज नहीं होने वाला है, दोनों का एज इंक्रीज होने वाला है. सो इट विल बी y plus 20 plus 20, that is y plus 40. I hope you are getting this, students. There are two children, so दोनों का सम इज y years. सो 20 ईयर्स के बाद जो भी एज है उसमें 20 दो बार ऐड होगा, बिकॉज दोनों का एज बढ़ेगा 20 ईयर्स. ओके, लेट्स से प्रेजेंटली द सम ऑफ द एजेस ऑफ द टू चिल्ड्रन इज 10 ईयर्स. ओके, सो आफ्टर 20 ईयर्स क्या एक का ही एज बढ़ेगा? नहीं, दोनों का एज बढ़ेगा. सो दोनों का एज बढ़ेगा, इसलिए 20 हम लोग दो बार ऐड करेंगे, एक का 20 से और दूसरे का भी 20 से. ओके, सो वॉट एवर इज द सम यू विल ऐड 40 टू इट. ओके, ट्वाइस ऐड करेंगे हम लोग, बिकॉज देर आर टू चिल्ड्रन ओवर हियर. हैड देयर बीन 3 चिल्ड्रन यू वुड टेक थ्राइस. ठीक है, 20 + 20 + 20 यू वुड ऐड 60 टू इट. ओके, सो जितने चिल्ड्रन है उतना हम लोग ऐड करेंगे. यहाँ पे देर आर 2 चिल्ड्रन, सो वी आर एडिंग ट्वाइस. हैड देयर बीन 3 चिल्ड्रन, थ्राइस. हैड देयर बीन 4 चिल्ड्रन, देन 4 टाइम्स. ओके, कमिंग टू द फ्रेमिंग पार्ट. नाउ the age of the man is twice the sum of the ages of his 2 children. Over here we are talking about the present condition. So presently man's age is x years. Okay, is means is equal to twice means 2 times, 2 into. Okay, so man's age x years is equal to 2 into the sum of the ages of his 2 children. What is the sum of the ages of his 2 children? It is y years. So 2 into y. So x is equal to 2y. That is x minus 2y is equal to 0. We'll shift y wala term over here. We'll keep x and y in LHS always. ठीक है? So this is the first equation. Second equation. After 20 years. So after 20 years we'll consider these ages. Okay, this is the reason we formed the table at the beginning. After 20 years his age will be equal to the sum of the ages of his children at that time. After 20 years his age, मतलब man का age. What is the age of the man after 20 years? x plus 20. It will be equal to means equal to the sum of the ages of his children at that time. What is the sum of the ages of children at that time? It is this, y plus 40. Okay, so his age will be equal to the sum of the ages of the children. So sum of the ages of the children is this much. Okay, now shifting y over here, minus y, and 40 will remain as it is, shifting 20 over here. So x minus y is equal to 20. We got the two equations. Okay, we just have to solve this and find the values of x and y. We don't even need y, we just have to find x ka value. Okay, so we'll solve this, but before that we'll write down proper statements and then move on to the solution. So the present age of man over here is x years and the sum of the present ages of children is y years. Okay, so make a table like this. Okay, man and the sum of the ages of the 2 children. Man's age we are talking. Okay, so present age x years and sum of the ages of 2 children is y years. after 20 years man's age will become x plus 20. You will add 20 years. Sum of the ages of two children. So दो बच्चे हैं, so you will add 20 two times, not just once. Had there been 3 children, you will add it 3 times. Had there been 4 children, you will add it 4 times. Okay. So this is the reason we have added 20 twice. ठीक है. Now putting these ages over here in conditions. So present condition में क्या बोला है? The man's age is 2 times the sum of the ages of the children. So that is twice the ages, sum of the ages of the children. So x is equal to 2y. You will get one linear equation. Second condition, you are told that after 20 years the man's age is this. It will be equal to the sum of the ages of his children. What will be the sum of the ages of his children? This. Okay. So solve this and you will get another linear equation. We just have to solve these two and find the value of x. Over here we are not asked the sum of the ages of the children. We are just asked the age of the man. So age of the man will be x years. So we just have to find the value of x over here. Okay. So you can make coefficient of y same. Okay. And solve. What I am going to do is I am going to just subtract these two equations because x का coefficient is already same. ठीक है. So I'll just subtract these two equations and find the value of y first and then substitute that in 1 or 2. So I'll subtract 1 from 2, subtracting 1 from 2. So 2 I'll write first. 2 is x minus y equal to 20 and 1 is x minus 2y is equal to 0. We'll subtract this equation. So the signs over here will change. This becomes minus, makes no point. ठीक है. 0 को minus करो या plus करो, same ही रहता है. Minus becomes plus over here and this plus becomes minus. Alright. X minus x cancel हो जाएगा. -1 plus 2. So 2 minus 1 basically gives 1. So 1y, that is y. Okay. And 20 minus 0, that is 20 only. So y is equal to 20. We don't need to find value of y. We just found this and now we are going to substitute in 1 or 2. Okay. So this is not actually required. You can directly find the value of x just by taking LCM over here. ठीक है. So y cancel हो जाएगा. But I have used this method. Now substituting y equal to 20 in 1 or 2, any of the two you can substitute. So in 1, x minus 2y is equal to 0, that is x minus 2 into 20 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 40. Okay. 2 20s are 40, so minus 40 becomes plus 40 when you shift it over here. So x is 40. Box the value of x. Okay. Also box the value of y. Now write down the final statement. Present age of man is 40 years. Don't forget to put the unit years. Okay. So don't forget to write down the final statement. All right. And box the answer.